Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy man crochet cap designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts as you can see. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy man crochet cap designs, beautiful hat patterns, stylish ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts as you can see. Every design is beautiful and trendy. Those men who loves to wear such type of cap design, soft and beautiful caps, washable cap designs. You can easily wear these very beautiful caps when you go in the birthday party, wedding party. So friends, if you want to buy this very beautiful cap, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful caps online, these websites easily in very reasonable price. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories you can see also. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.